Hello beautiful, it's your favorite girl Munnoh. Welcome back to the channel if you are a returning subscriber. If this is the first time you are seeing this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to the channel so that you can become a part of the family. When you subscribe, please hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. For today's video, I am going to be showing you how I achieved this juicy watermelon pick and drop wig. So if you're interested in learning how I made this wig, please keep watching. For this tutorial, you will need a wig cap, you will need your big and tiny lash hook, you will need your scissors, and you also need some braiding hair. For this particular hair, I am using the braiding hair from Expression Company. I am using this rich braid. It's in the color purple. Length I am going to be using is cut 3. Okay, so I'm going to divide the hair into 3 equal parts and I'm going to cut it. After cutting the hair into 3 equal parts, I am going to stretch the hair to get rid of the bluntness at the tip. Once I am done stretching, I am going to spray some oil sheen on the hair and then I'll go ahead and comb it. And this is what you want to achieve. Alright, so we're going to move on to the actual braiding right away. I'm basically just crocheting the hair onto the wig cap before I go on to braid. I'm not going to braid the hair all the way to the tip. I'm just going to braid it a little bit. Alright, so after I braid it just a little bit, I am going to knot the hair so that it doesn't unravel before I finish braiding the rest of the hair. I'm just going to show you this a couple of times and then I'm going to speed up the video so that we don't waste so much time on this. I've gone ahead to ventilate my lace because I want that front to look like I used a closure, right? So I ventilated using this tiny lash hook. Okay, so if you want to see a video of how I ventilate my closures, please leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll upload that video for you. So I have switched my lash hook to this tinier one for this front because you know the lace in front is very fragile and we don't want to rip it. So I'm going to be using the smaller lash hook to crochet the hair onto the wig cap and then braid as usual. Same way I did the back, only that I am using a smaller lash hook this time. The center, I'm just going to comb through the hair I ventilated. I'm just going to comb through that hair so that I don't have any tangles, and then I'm going to divide it into the portions that I want. You know, this part is just like braiding a regular hair, like you're braiding somebody's hair. So you just section it out, take hair and then braid it. This is what the hair looks like after I'm done braiding the whole head. So I'm going to brush through the hair to remove any tangles in the hair before I go on to start twisting. Right now I am twisting the hair, so I'm going to twist all of the hair. At the front I am twisting in 2s, and at the back I'm going to twist in 4s, just to speed up the whole process. Your coil pattern is totally dependent on how tight you twist the hair. So if you want the coil pattern to be very tight, then you need to twist the hair very tightly. If you want loose coils, then twist loosely. So I want tight coils for this hair, so I'm twisting the hair very tightly. So I'm going to twist the whole hair until I am done with the whole wig. Now that I am done twisting, I'm going to trim the hair. I'm going to trim any flyaways before we go on to dip it into hot water. So now I have a bowl of hot water here, and I've just added my conditioner to it. I'm going to stir it to distribute the conditioner properly, and then I'm going to dunk the hair into the hot water. This water is very, very hot. I mean boiling hot water. That is what I'm using for this, okay? So I'm going to dunk the entire hair into the hot water. You can add a bit of oil into your water if you want. Alright, so after that, I'm just going to dry my hair, put it back on the mannequin head, and leave it to dry for some time before I come back to unravel it. So you can go ahead and trim the length if you have unequal length, so go ahead and trim that just to make it look nice. Now the hair is dry to an extent, so I am spraying some oil on it before I start unraveling. It will make it easy for you to unravel the hair. So I'm just unraveling the twist, and in a bit you are going to see the outcome of this hair. If you are still watching this video and you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you might as well just subscribe so that you can become a part of this family. When you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with a friend. You never can tell who needs to see this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comment section. If you have suggestions of videos you want me to make, please leave it in the comment section. Until I see you next time, stay safe and stay blessed.